Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I wanted to make sure that I come through right before 2018 hits. I want to give you all some updates and chit chat a little bit, okay? But I just washed my hair. I know I don't recommend washing your hair in the evening, but I just got back from New Orleans this morning. As soon as I got home, I knocked out. I fell asleep for a good 5 hours and now I'm up. It's 10 p.m. or so. And I had to wash my hair because my scalp was going crazy. Leave me a comment below and let me know if your hair acts differently when you travel. I'm curious to know. So yeah, I washed my hair, so let me take it down so you guys can have something to look at. Wow, my face looks crazy. Yeah, it looks nice and black. Someone has asked me, when do I plan on re-dyeing it black? Well, this is my first time dyeing my hair black, so I don't know how if it fades and looks odd or what, but as long as it looks nice and black, I don't see a need to color it again. However, I do remember that I missed some spots when I colored it. I don't know, every time I color my hair, every time I've colored my hair past the red, I've missed spots. And I know this because I have some red spots in my hair, and you guys know I've tried colors after having red. Like, I've done blue, I've done purple and green. Why do I still have red spots? But somewhere back here, that's why, you know, I can't see it. But anyway, so yes, it's Old Year's night and I wanted to give you all some updates on what's going to be going on with my channel. Some of you may have noticed that I have not been uploading videos as frequently as I have in the past. You know, I used to try to do 2 videos a week, and I was doing that pretty well for a while, doing at least 2 videos, and now I'm doing 1 video a week and sometimes 1 video every 2 weeks, and that's not like me. You know, you guys know that I'm a full-time influencer and entrepreneur. My primary source of income is not through YouTube videos unless they're sponsored, and otherwise I can't really afford to prioritize putting videos out here, although I do, to make sure that I'm engaging with all of you and, you know, keeping you all interested in my content and making sure that I'm helping you guys out the way that I want to. So I still do make videos here on YouTube even if the videos are not sponsored, but just bear in mind, I have to do what I gotta do. I gotta make my money. I work, although I do work differently than most people, I do work. So my YouTube channel sometimes suffers from that, but I will make it my mission to make sure that I have at least a video a week for 2018. And you guys can help me out with that by leaving me comments below, letting me know what videos you want to see. What topics do you want me to address as far as hair or otherwise? Let me know, okay? Other than that, I have some products I'm working on, so that's also gonna be one of the reasons, some of the reasons why I'm sorry, I'm still sleepy. I can't even speak properly. So I have some projects that I'm working on, so that's also gonna be a reason, or a couple reasons, why I'm not going to be on here as frequently, but I will be here. I get my comments sent to my phone, so I'm gonna see your comments and I will respond, so don't worry about that. I'm not gonna be gone at all. I'll still be on Instagram as well, so you can contact me there too if that's what you prefer. So yes, this is my last wash of 2017. My hair feels super clean. I washed it with Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, and I also use conditioner. I can't remember the name of the conditioner right now. Keisha. Soapbox. Whew, girl. I use Soapbox conditioner. I think it was tea tree conditioner. I'll verify. But yeah, so that's it. For those of you who won my giveaway, I know you guys are waiting for your prizes. Give me up until the end of this week because I have been a little backed up with my holiday sale. So I've been putting out, you know, sending out those packages And you know, I just went on vacation. I was in New Orleans for a while. I'll also have a vlog from my New Orleans experience, but that'll be on my vlog channel. I just started the vlog channel. You can check that out. I'll have it linked above. So far I only have one video, and that's from my Atlantic City vlog. And the reason why I made a separate channel for that is because I don't want to worry about like the sensitive content that might be in my vlogs, because some of the I just feel like it's not really appropriate for my channel. You know, I try not to curse on here and certain things, you know. I keep this channel as PG as I can, and then over there it's gonna be rated R, perhaps. At least my Atlantic City vlog, the amount of cursing in that video is rated R. But I think New Orleans will be a little more cool and laid back and more educational. Maybe not, we'll see. I didn't edit it yet, so we'll see how that goes. What else? Anything else I need to address? So I'm looking forward for the projects that I'm working on. I'm looking forward for them to come into fruition. I know it'll take a while, so maybe not until 2019, but just know that I put in work. Your girl puts in work. I'll be toiling through the night, toiling. I have my space heater right here, so that's gonna help my hair dry a bit, you know. Remember, that was one of my recommendations, having a space heater in the room to help your hair dry. If you haven't seen my video recommending how to dry your hair fast, definitely check it out above. And I just feel myself like falling asleep as I'm recording this, so let me get out of here. That's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Check my links below and my links above and the cards and all that good stuff. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.